How to use Google Keep for notes. Firstly, go to your web browser and search for keep.google.com. To add a new note, click on Take a Note. Here you can write your reminders, tasks, or any other things. You can also give it a title. After that, simply click on Close to save this. And now let's customize this note. If you tap on the three dot icon, you will see different options like these. Select Add Label. After that, you can write any label that you want. For example, to-do list, shopping list, or idea. I'm just gonna type in shopping list. Then click on Create Shopping List. After that, a small label like shopping list will be added. This is very useful as you can go to the search bar at the top and type in shopping list. When you do that, then that note will appear. If you click on the note itself, this kind of menu will open. Click on the background option. You can set different colors, or you can set any other themes that you like. For example, if the note is about dinner or lunch, you can add this food theme. Then close the menu. After this, a food theme will be added to your note. If you have a very important note, then you can click on the note. Then select the pin icon at the top right corner. This way, no matter where your note is, it will come to the top. That's all for today. Thank you.